Welcome back to Soo Kitchen. Maybe you have heard and tried different Chinese dumplings or gyoza. Today, I'll introduce you a warm soup that could perfectly match with it. I will also show you how to make the juicy and crispy beef gyoza. Let's work on the soup first. Alright, let's do it. Step 1. Separate the white from eggs and gently beat them with chopsticks or fork. Step 2. Cutting in slices like a veggie ninja. Bamboo shoots, mushroom, fungus, and tofu are from the original recipe. You can use others from your own basket or pick some from your neighbor's backyard. Step 3. Bath time for the veggies. Put bamboo shoots, fungus, and mushroom first, as they take a bit longer to cook. Seasoning with 2 spoons of salt, 1 spoon sugar, another spoon MSG, which is optional. Later, put in silky tofu and gently have a massage for them. The special mushroom is called Enoki Mushroom, quite common in Asian grocery stores. It gives some chewy texture. Boil for 2 minutes and follow me. 1, 2, 3, start. They jump in the bathtub, it's time to get all clean. Okay, that's enough. Step 4, pour some milk, the cornstarch mixed water and some Chinese vinegar. Don't forget the egg white. Make sure you pour very slowly and mix it like this, so it looks pretty in the soup. Add 2 spoons of white pepper powder. Final touch, drops of sesame oil. That's perfect. Alright, now let's start with the gyoza. This is my home gyoza recipe and I hope you like it. Here I'm using nearly half kilo of beef rump. Also good to use the regular beef mince from the supermarket, better with some fat. Well, a good chef is always picky, sometimes stubborn. So, Soo Kitchen is going to show you the traditional way preparing beef mince. Trust me, handmade is better for sure. Now prepare some diced onion for gyoza and some onion chunks for scallion oil. The scallion oil probably ring the bell if you follow me on the video scallion noodle. If not, make sure you check it out. Use very low heat to slowly fry the onion chunks and spring onions root to golden brown color. And then add 1 pinch of Scichuan Pepper and turn off the heat immediately. I'll add some fat pork mince to make it juicy. Add the scallion oil, just the oil, don't blend in any pepper. Quickly fry the diced onion with 1 spoon salt and sugar. Add well-cooked onion to beef mince. Stay focused, guys, the seasoning show begins. Salt, sugar, soy sauce, oyster sauce, cornstarch, 5 spice powder, white pepper powder, MSG, and 1 egg. Stay to the last minute, I'll give you the list in the end. Mix all the ingredients well until it's getting sticky. Making gyoza is never hard. Let's do it together. We need 2 packs of dumpling wrappers. I will show you 2 common ways to make it. First one is very quick and easy. Put the meat in the middle and press it with thumb and index fingers until it sticks together. The second one takes a bit longer, but it looks more delicate. Stick in the middle, fold and press 3 times from each side. First the right side, and then from the left side, fold 3 times. Just follow the steps and give a try. We are finally at the last step now. Heat the pan, add some oil. Place the gyoza one by one. Let's wait until gyoza base is fried and crispy. When you feel the pan is very hot, maybe it's the time. Let's check it out. At this time, turn to lower heat, add 100 ml of boiling water, and give them a spa. At this time, you can add a bit vinegar to keep the base very crispy during the steam. When the water evaporated, the gyoza is ready. Before you serve, add some chopped spring onion as you like. Woohoo! Do you believe the gyoza is so easy? And everyone can make it at home. Let me try this now. Even you are not a meat lover, you won't say no to such crispy fried dumpling, and you can easily turn it into other flavors, like chicken, pork, or even veggie. But trust me, your whole family cannot wait to have such a nice meal at weekends. Don't forget to get the little ones make the dumplings together. Family meal is always a joy of teamwork. Alright, so much for today's soup and dumplings. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumb up. See you next time. Bye for now.